Hello, Katie here from Katie's World. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for tuning in today. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you volume 2 from my Magical Lands album set. So if you haven't already, please jump on over and watch the video for volume 1. That'll give you all the details about this set. This is coming out this year. We are shooting for May, but it may get pushed back a little bit. Just depends how long it takes to put all these kits together. We will be starting pre-orders on March 1st. I'll be putting the link below to my shop. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump in. So here's the cover. We have a beautiful pocket here. This image is from Miss Kate Cuttables, so a shout out to her. Check her site out. She has a lot of cute images. So okay, there's the cover. Each cover is similar but has a different image on the front. It's a large book. It's about a 10 by 10 cover. And so here's the inside. We have a beautiful pocket here. It's a clear acetate pocket. I do have a video on my YouTube already on how to put together this acetate pocket on the cover. So that'll help you out there. But the kits will come with full complete step-by-step instructions with photo and written tutorial as well. So the first pocket we have is cute little stars and the castle. So if you watched the previous video, you'll see this is taking you through the park. We are still in Fantasyland. The last book ended, we were in Fantasyland, and here we are still in Fantasyland. And so we're going to be transitioning over to, we have the Dumbo ride, and off to Neverland, the Peter Pan ride here, and then the teacups, Alice in Wonderland teacups, and then It's a Small World. So the album does not come with photo mats. It's fully customizable, so you can put whatever size photo mats that you need. I do sell a bulk pack of black cardstock that I do use to create my albums. So if you need some of that, go ahead and pick that up as well when you get your kits. I'll put the link below as well. But yes, so like in these pockets, for instance, you could hold a photo mat 5 1/4 by 7 1/4, so it'll hold a 5 by 7 photo and below. And in the larger pockets like this one, I'm not sure if it's quite, maybe an 8 by 8. Yeah, you could do an 8 by 8, so you could do like an 8 1/4 by 8 1/4 photo mat. So the sizes are 9 1/2 by 9 1/2. There's one hint to each of the albums. Like I said, there's 3 albums in this set. So then here's this beautiful train track pocket to showcase the Big Thunder Mountain Railroad ride. Now, of course, so this is bringing us into Frontierland. But what I wanted to say is, of course, you could do pictures on the ride, but you don't have to. So this set will take you through the whole park, but you don't have to necessarily say, well, I didn't do that ride, so I have no pictures for this. Well, of course not. If you're walking through Frontierland, taking pictures in the area, anywhere in that land, that's where these will house the photos for that. That's perfect. I did choose this cowboy Toy Story type theme because I have taken pictures in the, it's near or in the barbecue in that area where Woody, I've seen Woody over there. And so I was like, well, this would be perfect if you have any of those, or just any cowboy pictures or Western, anything in Frontierland is perfect for this. This is a pocket as well. Oh, I still have a photo mat in there. So this is a 4 by 6 photo mat, and this is a clear pocket. And then now we are in Adventureland. So any pictures that you take in Adventureland, of course, this is featuring the Jungle Cruise, but I didn't specifically say the Jungle Cruise because I just wanted to represent that area. So we just have Adventureland right here. This is a nice big pocket where you can hold 8 by 8 photos and below, and it'll hold quite a few photo mats. So you can just slide in, like, say, an 8 by 8 and a 5 by 7 and 4 by 6s. And so you have these really nice size pockets. You can really hold a lot of photos in these books. Like I said, it's fully customizable, so I don't have an exact number for you because it really depends on the sizes of your photos. I mean, you can make an 8 by 8 photo mat, but then put, 2 or 3 or 4 different smaller photos on that same mat too. Lots that you can do with it. So now we are at the Tiki Room, one of my favorites. So like this is showcasing a photo mat right here that'll fit perfectly. But again, the photo mat is not in the kit. That is something that you have to put in there. I will put some measurements in the instructions. So I'll give you some suggestions on measurements that I am using for my book. They just won't be cut in the kit. So then here's a pocket. This will house a beautiful 5x7 photo in here. And same thing with this. Now we have Indiana Jones, and you can place a 5x7 photo in here as well. So this mat is 5 1/4 by 7 1/4, or you could do a couple 4x6s, however you want to do it. I just love that you can do large photos in here, especially when you get those really nice ones that the park takes for you. And then here's the end of this album, Best Adventure Ever. And so this is a gusseted pocket. The inside, front, and back covers have gusseted pockets, so you can really fit, and that just means it's thicker. So it's 1/8 of an inch deep, so you can hold quite a bit of photos in there. These albums are inspired by Kathy King, using her basic tutorial for her signature stories. Sorry, I can't remember. But anyway, so yeah, it's based on that. And I've made a few tweaks here and there, adding pockets and things like that. But anyway, so yeah, so thank you so much for checking this out. And I hope you like it. Links are below. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more videos from me, please click the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss any of the magic here at Katie's World. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram, where I post updates of upcoming projects. And thanks again, and have a great day.